Hi there everybody, it's me again, Jenny from Just Jenny Journaling. It's just a quick video this morning to give you an idea of what is going on in my journaling workshop at the moment. And I'll have some photographs as we go on Instagram as well. So I just wanted to share with you, most people probably in the journaling world have a good idea about how to use traveller's notebooks. This is quite new for me, so I thought I'd do a quick video to show you that, to run through some of the things I'm making for some traveller's notebooks for me, and some will be for sale as well. But for those who, like myself, had no idea till a few months ago that traveller's notebooks existed, and when I first came across them, thought that they would just, to be honest, if you had to travel or be Indiana Jones or something like that to be actually able to use them. They are actually beautiful little folders, basically. I think you can get really, really expensive ones. I think the originals were Midori, and they are gorgeous leather-bound journals. They are an investment. I'm just going to try these for now. I do need to first and foremost look at a journal for everyday expenses and bits and pieces when I'm collecting bits from my journal, because I'm planning to be serious about it now and share, have some for sale. The feedback I've had from friends and family and acquaintances has been really positive so far, so that's what I'm going to do. So I thought I would show you, for the beginners like myself, how they're used. So they come like this. Okay, that's one that I'm going to be using, and I thought I'd go for a funky colour as well, like that. And people use them, they can keep everything. Some people even keep their phones, all their cards, bits and pieces. You can have pockets for your photographs or whatever. So these I've ordered, and I've ordered some more that I'm going to actually sell later with my inserts. And a lot of them come with plain inserts like this. So this is like craft card, and this one's got like basically plain paper in for painting or drawing. This one's got craft paper in, and this one here I think is one I've just taken to bits that's lined, or you can get them with just plain writing paper. And the beauty of these is that you can slip them in and out, so you can, depending on what you're going to be doing that day. They come with the elasticated centre. Basically, slip them out like so, and slip them back in again. So you can replace with whatever you want to be doing that day. So whether it's your weekly journal or your daily list, or you're going to be out and about, you're doing sightseeing, you can actually put your inserts back in and out as you like, which I think is fantastic. I've seen a video which I might link below. Mrs. Cog's Craft. She does fantastic journals, and she made one for her friend called Wendy. She actually made the whole thing herself, and she managed to find room for 9 inserts. Anyway, long story short, that's how they work. Okay, I've got some more here. I'm doing some gifts for some friends who actually are travelling away for an assembly in Oslo. So I'm going to be doing those. So I thought I'd have a quick flip through of what I've gotten so far. And I think what I'll do now is I might just end this video because it's gone on for quite a while. So this will just be the quick beginner's introduction to TNs, to Traveller's Notebooks. Okay, so we'll leave that there for now. I'll see you in a mo. I'm going to cut now, and then we'll go on to actually have a quick look through these that I've started to put together. Okay, speak to you soon. Bye.